We got the clearances for the abatement on this side. Now we're ready to start doing the demolition on these 4 units. All the asbestos has been removed. Removed all the texture and all the asbestos contained material on the walls. You have the temporary power pole right there. Waiting on the city to release it. We're working off a generator for the electrical.
Bottom 43, 41, and then 43, 39.
Ok, aquí está. Este es el 2. De lado, ¿eh?
All the smoke damage, all the smoke pressurized, and all the plumbing walls and electrical outlets. So we're gutting this down to the studs to rebuild it. All that in plaster. So you see all the